In this video, we are going to learn about import and export of Mailchimp integration add-on. At first, we are going to export Mailchimp contacts. Then, import it to our WordPress website using user meta import. Click the URL. It will redirect you to your Mailchimp account. From Mailchimp account, you will see a Export Audience button. Click the button. Export the contacts in CSV format. A zip file will be downloaded which contains the CSV file. Next, extract the zip file. Then, upload the CSV file using User Import panel from Export and Import. After done with the import, check the users. There you will see your imported users from Mailchimp. Then comes to User Meta Export to Mailchimp Import. At first, export the user using User Export panel. Then go to your Mailchimp account. In the Add Contacts menu, you will find Import Contacts option. Click the option. There, you can upload your file or paste your link to upload contacts. I am going to upload the downloaded CSV file. After uploading contacts, check the users. This way, you can import and export Mailchimp and WordPress users using User Meta. Thank you for watching.